Alright, so here is, I can quickly explain how to set up Google Analytics with your WordPress website. So as I said, I use Astra theme and I use Astra Pro. So here's the price, starting with $59, and if you go to mini agency bundle, $169, and the agency bundle is $249. So when you open up your WordPress admin site, so just go to click appearance and go to Astra option. Then make sure you activate custom layout. So after you activate that, so you see custom layout under Astra option. So click that and then add new and then put whatever the name is. So I usually put just the Google Analytics code and then click enable code editor. All right, then and copy and paste the Google Analytics code that you generated. So I'm not going to go through this how to generate the Google Analytics, but I'm going to just paste a link. There's lots of tutorials for that on your YouTube. So and then go down to layout, and at the drop down section you just pick hooks. In the next action, and then you select WP underscore head. And then the next one is display on section. And then most of you probably you set up Google Analytics for entire website. So just pick entire website and then just hit publish. So that's everything for now. Hopefully I can create how to read a Google Analytics report in the future. My name is Osam.